Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. We are finally back. I'm sorry for not being able to get an upload for you guys last week, but going out of town in Alabama, it just couldn't happen, and it is what it is. But I had an awesome interaction. I had an awesome meetup with Parker, the winner of the Lincoln Diesel Specialties gift card. I have no clue how it happened. I was supposed to go to Missouri and work. Turns out Parker, who won the giveaway, is from Alabama. Work messaged me as we were figuring out details for Missouri. Turns around, we have different people go to Missouri, and I end up going down to help out in Alabama. So I messaged Parker. I said, hey, how close are you in Alabama to the town I'm working in? He worked in the town that I was working in. Absolutely insane. We got to meet up with him. It was a great opportunity. I really want to meet more of you guys after meeting him. It was awesome to meet him. We went out to an amazing barbecue joint. It was a great time. Let's get into this video. We're gonna be talking about my exhaust system, what I'm going with and why I'm going with it. We're not installing it today. We'll be installing that on Wednesday for you guys. I really wanted to talk about the exact reason why I went with this system, but I can tell you what, it's not a 4-inch anymore. So let's go ahead and take a look at this right now and do some explaining for you guys. So right here, we've got an MBRP exhaust. I got this, obviously, as you can tell from the tape. I got it from Lincoln Diesel Specialties. Their link will be in the description below for this exact exhaust system. They do have a few other options on their website, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. They're great people to work with. They're always friendly. They're always helpful. And I got an announcement for you guys coming up here in regards to Lincoln Diesel Specialties and myself. They're doing a little work on the truck, so stay tuned for Wednesday's video. I'm going to be telling you guys about that after the install of the 5-inch. Stay tuned for the end of this video because we're going to be doing some exhaust sound clips of my 64mm turbo from Lincoln Diesel Specialties and the 4-inch to compare it for when we get that 5-inch on Wednesday. As for the weather right now, it's very beautiful. Unfortunately, it is a little windy out. I hope you guys can't tell from the video. I do live out in the country, so with that comes extra wind. But let's go ahead, open this up and talk about what we got. For those of you who paid attention in the beginning of January, February time frame, I put up a poll on Instagram. Make sure you go ahead and check out my Instagram below. There will be a link in the description. I put up a poll in regards to my exhaust system, and that was whether I should go to a 5-inch or not. And obviously you guys can tell right here, that ain't no 4-inch. Comes with all the clamps that you need. Of course, it comes with the instructions, and we all know exactly what we order parts for. It comes with a sticker. So that is not a stainless exhaust, and you might be wondering, you're up north, why did you not get a stainless exhaust? It's gonna rust out really quick. Well, that's exactly why I didn't get it. I wanna see how quickly it rusts out, to be honest with you guys. I wanna see how bad a non-stainless one actually does in, you know, the rust belt, you could say. The Wisconsin weather, the salty roads, the terrible conditions. I can't imagine that's gonna rust out that bad. If it lasts me well over 3 years, I'm not out anything. It's a $400 kit out the door. You can't go wrong with it. It's a great option. I'm excited for the sound. Parker had a 5-inch exhaust on his truck, and that made me even more excited to get that 5-inch installed on this truck as soon as I got back from Alabama. I have a lot of stuff planned coming up here in the next couple months for the truck. You guys are gonna be extremely excited. I'm extremely excited. I'm doing something that not a lot of people have done in our world, so it's definitely going to be interesting. So obviously you can tell it comes with absolutely all the clamps that you will need for this job. The only one it doesn't come with is this one right here, the one that comes off the downpipe. Now it's interesting to me because I was not aware that it goes from a 3-inch to a 4-inch to a 5-inch. It makes sense, I understand that, but I anticipated some massive pipe coming off the downpipe, which I'm actually very glad that's not the case. I had no clue. You know, I'm not a mechanic. I haven't done this before. 4-inch came with the truck. I didn't put that on. I've done exhaust systems before, but not for my truck specifically, so I didn't know that. And quite honestly, it's kind of nice. Man, these are some big pipes. These are some big pipes. Look at those monsters. They are huge. Man, that thing is huge. Now you may be asking why I'm not taking this off and why I'm not putting it on right away for you guys. And that's simply because I don't want these videos to be crazy long for you guys. I appreciate all your support, especially you guys that watch these videos all the way to the end like this. It helps a lot. So make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button so you get those notifications. I appreciate all my subscribers, my followers on Instagram and TikTok. With that being said, I also have a loving wife and a beautiful daughter that I want to spend time with. These videos, they're not easy to make, and they definitely take a long time to edit for my sake, because I want to be able to put out the best content for you guys that I can do at my level. Tonight, we're going to be having some nice brisket. Parker, we had some good barbecue down there with you. It made me want to come back and smoke my own brisket, so that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and do an exhaust clip for you guys right now of my 4-inch. But first, let's take a look at that brisket, see how it's doing. Oh, here she is. All right, so I am gonna go ahead and hold on to my 4-inch exhaust when I take it off, because I'm not sure if I'll like the 5-inch. You know, I liked Parker's. I don't know if I'm gonna like mine for sure. But if I don't keep it, we got some plans for it already. It sounds great, it's awesome. I love that Lincoln Diesel, especially 64 millimeter. Again, I got a pretty big announcement coming up here soon. Make sure you stay tuned for Wednesday. That'll be at the end of that video as well. It was definitely 100% unplanned, and we'll explain it here in a couple weeks. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, go ahead and hit that bell button so you get those notifications. Have yourselves a great night, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday for that install.